These trucks are delivering fresh potatoes to the factory. The potatoes are unloaded in large quantities for processing. This begins the production of potato products. The potatoes are now being unloaded for processing. Here we are inspecting the potatoes for quality.
We check each one for size, shape, and blemishes.
This one is a good size and shape.
But this has a cut. It gets sorted out.
Only high-quality potatoes are selected for chips. Careful inspection ensures every potato is perfect. This precision delivers the best chips. These selected potatoes are moving to the washing unit. These unpeeled potatoes are entering the slicing machine. Chips are moving to the cooling section. Here, the chips are spread out and cooled by air blowers. Now the chips are entering the seasoning drum. Perfect chips are ready for Lay's packaging.
Now the boxes are being sealed. All right, this one's ready to go. Stacks ready, load them up. Easy does it on the ramp. That's the last one. Good work.